really been super cleaning and organizing, getting rid of trash, and it feels so good. And I want to motivate you to do that too. And what I've been doing is going to thrift stores, and I picked up some stuff at Walmart too. Oh, I hate Walmart, but they're cheap. So anyway, I want to show you a couple of things that I've picked up and how I'm using these organizing tools yet on YouTube. And gosh, these girls are so amazing. Like, well, I'll show you what I'm doing and you'll get it. Okay, thanks. Okay, and here's an organizer that actually my girlfriend found for me while we were thrifting. There are 30 little spaces on either side, and this side I have my hair stuff, some of my manicure stuff, but it's so cool because everything's right there. You can see it all, and it hangs and it swivels, and there are 30 on the other side, and it's filled with aspirin and band-aids and stuff like that. But anyway, it's really nice to have, and it's organized. You can see at a glance everything that you need. I have it hanging out here in the hallway because the bathroom was in the closet, it was too dark to see. But that's a nice little thing to have handy. Okay, and here's my over-the-door shoe organizer. It has enough for 24 spaces, and it's inside my pantry door, real handy. And it's the mesh one, so you can see through it, real handy. How convenient is that? And I did end up getting this at Walmart. Here's a really cool travel bag I picked up at the thrift store for, I think it was like $2. And it's brand new. It still has tissue paper in it. You can tell it hadn't even been used. There's some nice little pockets here. Still has the little plastic things in here, the travel ones. Real nice and handy. I'll fill that thing up. It won't take me long to do that. And here's another thrift store find. And this is Bath & Body. This looks brand new too. There's 3 nice little pockets in here. You can hang it, fold it up, and it makes a nice little carry thing, and I'm sure I'll find some stuff to put in there too. Hungry cat's wondering why I'm not feeding them and why I'm videotaping them instead of feeding them. They're just kind of bored with it.